Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel and welcome back to this video. Okay, in this video I want to take you through how we create tables in Microsoft Access database, using the table design, and we are going to look at how different data types that we can use in those tables. Going to look at how we can make records primary keys and look at how we can save, edit, maybe and edit that table. To begin with, you have to come here in the quick access bar, click on create. Okay, after clicking on create, go on table. Okay, click on table design. Right, after you have reached on table design, then you start with field name. Now, like this field name, what I want to begin with, let me give it what we call staff number. Okay, staff number. Then it's data type. It's data type here. I want to use a short text. Why do I want to use a short text? It's because when I'm talking of the data types, this one will explain different types of data that can be used in that table. For the short text, we use it when we have the field that contains the maybe just a short text with just less than maybe 256 characters. It can contain text and numbers. Okay, then we have also to go for another field. Okay, field the second field can be the surname. Okay, surname, and it's also a short text. Okay, short text. I can also now select what we can call maybe first name. Okay, first name. I also call it a short text. Okay, then I also look for sex. Okay, sex. I make it a short text, but here I will use a lookup wizard. Okay, you apply a lookup wizard on this short text, okay, of sex, and it can be popping up my options. Okay, after here you just right click and go to lookup wizard. Okay, say open. After you have opened, say I want to type my values, click next. On column 1, click I want female. Okay, column 2, bring male. Okay, bring male, and click on next, then finish. Okay, then you have applied lookup wizard there. Our next can be department. Okay, can be department, and here department I also want to bring in a lookup wizard because I have 3 departments. Okay, begin with, just go apply short text, bring a lookup wizard, go on lookup wizard. Okay, say I want to type the values that I want. Okay, then I bring in the results here, the departments. For example, I can have physics. Okay, I can have physics. Next one I can have chemistry. Then next one I can have economics. Economics. If I have economics here, then I click on finish. We have applied a lookup wizard there. I can have also salary. Okay, apply salary there as our field. Salary, it's a currency. Okay, it's a currency data type. Why? Because we have to be putting in money, right? So we have finished up bringing up what we can call a table. Okay, that we can use it to feed in the data. I save my table as maybe staff table. Okay, right click on it and save it as staff table. Okay, that is it. Then you click OK. You select the primary key. To select the primary key, just select the row. Okay, select the record that you want to make a primary key. Then you right click on it and form a primary key like that. If I want maybe this one, right click and like that. But I want staff number to be primary key. Okay, then I like that. Then I can now go and save my staff table, okay. And if I come here, maybe save it, okay, come here and open it, you see this is the staff table, and here I can put my number, the staff number here, maybe UTS, okay, 523. Then the surname can be maybe Cash, okay. First name can be Brian, okay. Then here 6, a lookup wizard will pop up. You can say is male. Department, the lookup wizard will pop up. You can say is economics. And salary, you can please tell us that maybe he gets 400,000, okay. That is it. To go new one, you can come here and still go. So put a new now. We put a new record now. Let's see, okay. 452, okay. Then you can still bring out another person, okay, Hassan. Then maybe the name can be Sewanga, okay, first name. Then is he a male or a female, whatever, okay. The department, select physics, okay. And the money can tell us maybe 500,000, okay. So that's how you can click on the table there, table name here, around here, and you click on save. That's how you can save it, okay. So if you want to delete a record, just select like this, okay. Right click on that record, right click and delete a record. If you want to put a new record, right click and put a new record. So that's how we can use a table, okay. And deleting a table itself, okay. First close it, okay. If you have to delete a table, scroll it, right click here, and there is an option of deleting it here, okay. So you can delete it if you want to do that, okay. So that's how we can create a table using table design view, okay. And we enter the data in Microsoft Access database, okay. Thank you very much. We see you in the next video.